let's cut to the chase. You want to know if this guy works. So the best way for me to show you that is to show you what it picked up from my pool. So you take off this screen and you can see all the stuff that it picked up. Pretty impressive. Now let me show you how to put it back together. So that point goes up towards the front. So I'll kind of rearrange so you can see it here. So that goes up to the front, so it lines up there. It's easy to follow. Then you put the lid back on. Now there is a part in there that needs to be lined up well. As you can see, the first time I try it, I kind of miss. I don't have, and then I finally get it. Well, see, there's one part that lines up well. Yep, there you go. So then you click it back down, and now it's ready to go again. Now let me show you what it looks like after it charges. You see the green light that flashes, tells you it's ready to go. Now here it is in the pool. Now I'm impressed with how quickly it moves, and it's definitely creating some action. You can kind of see in this one spot, my pool's pretty dusty and it's blowing up the dust. And the other thing that's impressive to me is how fast it moves. It really moves quickly. Now, it does have a quite erratic pattern for how it covers the pool. It comes up one side, it'll roll around, and then hesitate for a second, and then it'll get going again. All in all, because it's going around so much, it totally covers the bottom of the pool. And I was impressed with specifically how the pool looked afterwards. This is after it finished running, and you can see, well, hopefully you can see, it looks really nice. The after was really impressive. I recommend this pool cleaner.